Hello everyone. So today we have with us Vinay Pratap Singh. He has scored an AIR of 733 in CLAT 2024. So congratulations Vinay. सबसे पहले बताओ तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है. लास्ट ईयर तुमने क्लैट दिया था, यू कुडेंट गेट थ्रू, ठीक है. आई थिंक योर रैंक वाज समवेयर ऑन 5000, ठीक है. इस बार यू हैव गॉट अ 3 डिजिट रैंक एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ टियर 1 इन एलयू. तो कैसा लग रहा है?
First of all, thank you, sir, and I feel really great. Last year, my rank was 5 in 4 digit, and it was a very depressing moment. But this year, due to a change in mindset and change in coaching, I successfully managed to get 733 rank, and I'm feeling a great sense of joy in making everyone around me happier and feeling bright.
Yes, last year you were not part of law prep. In fact, this year you prepared with us. I think you joined in May, June.
Yes, sir.
So 6 महीने तुमने मेहनत की. क्या चेंज किया तुमने अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी में लास्ट ईयर से और इस साल में?
Last year my preparation was very haphazard. I went through different coaching institute materials and stuff, but this year I stick to law prep tutorial. And a change of mindset in me was that this year I wanted to be successful or achieve a good rank for not just myself but for people around me. I want to make my father proud, and different reasons were there, but yeah, a change of mindset was definitely there.
Okay. You tell me about your background. मतलब तुमने 12th में क्या लिया था, and was law your first choice?
Law was my first choice. That's why I took humanities as my stream, and humanities also give a sense of freedom for students to prepare CLAT and don't worry about the board examinations simultaneously. And that's why I think humanities and commerce as well is a great background or stream for preparation for CLAT.
No, so your parents or who were your inspiration for law?
My inspiration for law was definitely my father. My father is an advocate, and he wanted to be a part of a great NLU, and that's why that I think that I took a second year drop to make his dream true.
Yes, you are a double dropper. That really requires a courage, and you have achieved it. So you have shown that if there is a will and a determination, then definitely one can succeed. So that is an inspiration for the youngsters. I am sure you will agree with that. Okay, so Vinay, CLAT में या मतलब तुम्हें जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो CLAT में आते हैं या पेपर में, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट सबसे डिफिकल्ट लगा?
So for me, while preparing for CLAT, logical reasoning was a bit difficult subject because I couldn't score a lot in that subject. But I kept practicing, and law prep tutorials mocks are significantly difficult in other institute. So it gave me a lot of background for scoring a great score in CLAT. And CLAT was significantly easier, so it was a significantly higher score than my mocks.
ओके, सो तुम्हारा कहना है कि मॉक्स क्योंकि तुमने इतने प्रैक्टिस कर लिए थे अच्छे डिफिकल्ट लेवल के कि क्लैट में फिर तुम्हें दिक्कत नहीं हुई बिकॉज पेपर रिलेटिवली इजी आया था. ओके, आई थिंक इन इजी पेपर इज ऑल्सो अ बेन एट टाइम्स इंस्टेड ऑफ बून, क्योंकि सभी बच्चे अच्छा कर लेते हैं, कट ऑफ बहुत हाई जाता है. तो क्या तुम्हें डर लग रहा था आफ्टर द एग्जाम कि शायद मैंने तो अच्छा किया है बट फिर भी ना हो?
हाँ सर, ये नेचुरल था, सब लोगों को यही लग रहा था.
ओके, सो हो गया तो ऑब्वियसली इट वाज लाइक वेरी वेरी सरियल फीलिंग तुम्हें. So now what are you looking at? मतलब लॉ करके क्या करना है?
So it was all dependent on what college I would get. And 733 rank, it's a high chance that I would get RML, and I'm hoping to further pursue in judiciary.
Okay, so you are planning to move to Raman Lohiya National Law University, Lucknow, and you're interested to become a judge.
Yes.
That's really remarkable. Any strategy which you would like to give to your youngsters कि कैसे prepare करें, especially since you have prepared for 2 years, तो तुम्हें ये भी पता है कि कैसे prepare ना करें. So youngsters को how will you suggest?
Basically, stick to one coaching institute and practice everything that institute offers, and have a approach that would suit you. If you are a dropper, then obviously you would have a lot of time in your preparation. But if you are a school student, then you would have to manage otherwise. And
okay, so विनय ये बताओ कि कितने घंटे रोज अगर हम देखें देना चाहिए इस पे, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द प्रिपरेशन दैट यू गेट इन द कोचिंग, घर पे कितने घंटे रोज तुमने दिए?
The biggest part in my preparation was reading newspaper regularly, and secondly, sectional text. So it all took me 3-4 hours every day without including the GK section. GK is subjective; it can take you up to 1 or 2 hours, or you can do it like entire day also.
यस, जीके इज वन एरिया जहां पर स्काई द लिमिट, तुम जितना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो उतना कम है. ओके, सो तुमने कोई जीके के लिए स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रेटजी बनाई? डिड यू प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम मल्टीपल सोर्सेज, या तुमने जीके के लिए कुछ फिक्स अपने 2 सोर्सेज रखे?
The same sources, the source LPT offered, and
Clat Express and mocks and everything. Okay, and Sir's note and everything.
MITs also.
Okay. So during your mocks, I mean, बहुत mocks LPT में हुए थे, and I don't think you missed any mocks. तुमने most of the mocks you gave.
Yeah.
तो during the mocks तुम्हारे scores क्या बढ़ रहे थे, या कभी घटे, या stagnant हो गए, और फिर क्या उस समय तुमने कुछ डर लगा, या तुमने कुछ change की strategy?
During my initial mocks, the score was stagnant only, but I kept practicing, and I didn't lose any hope, and the score eventually increased, and during the end part of the journey, CLAT journey, my score dropped, so I felt a little trembled inside me, but again I trusted LPT, and did a lot of practicing, and I kept a mindset that no, I'll do much better, and eventually I succeeded.
Okay, so I think the bottom line is that keep working hard, ठीक है, and probably if the day is yours, अगर उस दिन आप किस्मत आपका साथ देती है, you will get through if you have worked hard for 1 year, right? So thank you, Vinay, and I wish you all the best, ठीक है, in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.